In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable rules in Jira. Whether you're managing a project or just fine-tuning some processes, knowing how to easily toggle these rules can help streamline your workflow and enhance team efficiency. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open up Jira and navigate to the specific project where you wish to enable or disable the rules. Ensure you're logged in and familiar with the project's layout, because having a clear understanding of the navigation will make this process much smoother. Once you're in the project, the next step is to look for the three vertical dots located next to your project's name. This icon is often referred to as the More Options menu, and it's your gateway to various settings related to your project. Go ahead and click on it, then select the Project Settings option from the drop-down menu that appears. This is your starting point to customize different aspects of your project, including automating rules. After you're in the project settings, the next step is to find the Automation tab. Go ahead and click on it. Accessing the automation settings brings you to a page dedicated to rules and automation, providing you with various opportunities to automate tasks and processes within your project framework. This is where you'll manage the rules that can help tasks transition from one state to another, or update fields automatically, among other things. Now, you need to locate the specific rule you want to enable or disable. This could be any rule that you've set up or need to modify depending on your current project needs. A good tip here is to familiarize yourself with the rule names and what each one does, so you can quickly identify which rule needs attention. Once you've found the rule in question, simply look for the toggle button associated with it. This button is your tool for enabling or disabling the rule. Clicking it will switch the rule's status, allowing you to either activate or deactivate the automation based on what is currently needed for your project. By now, you should have successfully enabled or disabled the required rule, adjusting your project's workflow to better suit your needs. Remember, these steps apply not only to making changes today, but can also guide you in future scenarios where project demands evolve over time. That's it for our guide today. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps make your project management duties just a little bit easier. As always, if you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like and check out our other tutorials for more tips and insights into making the most out of Jira. Have a great day.